My name is Lauren Chisholm and I am a fine art jewelry designer. As an artist, I actually can make many of my original designs, and then my pieces are finished here in the United States. And I'm very proud to be a Made in America company. My business has been impacted by COVID primarily because I'm typically working directly with my customers, whether I am creating a beautiful, unique piece of fine jewelry for you or doing an in-person event at one of the boutiques that I work with around the country, philanthropic events and private events that I participate in. As well, I have had this incredible opportunity to travel around the world on luxury cruise lines, and I actually go on board the cruise ship and I set up a pop-up shop with my exclusive fine jewelry designs in them. So I'm really meeting and having the opportunity to work directly with my customers. Of course, most of this has changed in the wake of COVID. As an entrepreneur and an artist, I'm continually looking for new opportunities and how can I embrace change and adapt to change, especially in these times, and how can I ultimately grow? In lockdown, I spent quite a bit of time having many of my one-of-a-kind designs photographed and making significant updates and changes to my website. As well, I've been doing a little bit more interaction on my social media accounts and doing some videos of myself on Instagram where I share a little bit more of my process and how I hand make my pieces and how I take a piece from start to finish. So it's been a really interesting, unique way for me to engage with my customers in a different way. And my customers have really been enjoying it. I've been scheduling virtual appointments, and it's been a really terrific opportunity to connect differently. In addition to creating more of an online presence with my fine art jewelry designs, I'm also always making new pieces. So each week on my website, I'm going to be updating it and adding these new one-of-a-kind designs. Please feel free to browse my collections at www.laurenchisholm.com. As well as I mentioned on my Instagram and Facebook pages, I'll be sharing more of my process, really how I look at each piece and approach each design as if it's its own little wearable sculpture, little mini sculpture, and the scale, the proportion, the overall sense of style, everything that goes into me making a piece that ultimately you can put on with a white t-shirt and jeans right into the evening with a little black dress. I'm very intentful on creating wearable pieces. So I look forward to connecting with you. As I mentioned, I enjoy meeting my customers. Feel free to reach out, say hi, and I look forward to meeting you. Thank you so much.